I have a little message for anybody that thinks this is their truth or believes and feels this is their truth. This is for you. It's not really New Year's Day, no matter what they say. There's not 365 days a year. They lied about the clock, about how much time we've got. The measurement of time is your experience. We're all afraid to die, but do you know why? God will judge you, shame on you for not living right. We fear the closing of a cycle by fearing death. But there's something that we can do, connect into the core of you, a biofield of electricity. Your aura is your biofield, and the higher voltage that it is will bring your harmony back into tune. For we are music, we're multi-dimensions, we're plasma vibrations, and our bodies play a tune.